For Volvo Group, and I will speak about Volvo Group because we will attend this event with different brands, INTERMAT 2015 will be the most important exhibition in the world and will be a kind of flashing light event in France. With 7,000 square meters, we want to show our main new product, but also our last innovation for all of our brands, and I will speak of course about Volvo C, but also for Volvo Trucks, Volvo Penta engines, Renault Truck, and our last acquisition, Terex Trucks. We consider more and more INTERMAT as an EMEA event where we want to welcome customers, of course from France, but also from Europe, Middle East, and Africa. Today, we are already preparing our network for this big event because we want that the INTERMAT stand is also the stand of our dealers. And all together, we will strengthen the relationship with our customers, but we want also to welcome our prospect in the best conditions. And finally, INTERMAT is for us a great opportunity to continue to promote our core value, safety, quality, and environment.